Hey, Michael and James Hern here with Keller Williams and Hern Group. Hey, coming to you today with these last 7 days KC market update as far as how real estate's going. You know, in the last week, we've had 538 new homes come on the market with 1,038 go off the market. So James, honestly, for every one that's come on the market, 2 have gone off. So it's a great time for someone to sell.
Absolutely.
And then at the same time, from a buyer standpoint, we had 259 properties, actually price reductions. So those are home sellers that they're looking for an offer. And we had 118 people who had their boxes packed and their deal fell through. So they're back on the market.
They're not very happy.
No, so those folks, they're looking for an offer. So it's a great opportunity for a buyer.
For sure. Absolutely. And Kansas City, great place to be, right? The market is moving here. And I'm going to tell you, opportunity is everywhere, regardless of whether you're selling or where you're buying. The difference is the agent. So you need a seasoned, skilled agent on your side to get you the best deal when you're selling.
Absolutely.
The best deal when you're buying. So reach out to us here. We're happy to help you any way you can. HernHomes.com or 816-529-4949. We look forward to helping you right here.